year ahead, as always, I'd like to embed nutrition in all streams of work that I undertake, in the advocacy that I do, in my engagement with member states, in engagement with my own government. In terms of the work of the 59 Sun countries and scaling up nutrition, and in terms of my words of advice, as you put it, I would encourage them to continue to regard this as a high priority area. I would encourage them to think of it as something that has to be tackled at a whole of government level, not to silo it into one particular area, but to think about nutrition holistically.